What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Ontario Mills. One of the biggest malls out here, so of course we got to check it out. Let's go see what they got at the Nike outlets. Dude got the Ontario Improv. Michael Blackson, funny as hell. I think Hans Kim's gonna be out here next month. Might have to come to that. All right, entrance right next to the Nike outlets. Is there a line? Wow, there's a line at the Nike, huh? Wow. All right, I didn't wait more than what, a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes. All right, let's go, let's go. I already see 30% off the hash wall. They don't ever have a heat wall. I don't think I've ever seen a heat wall here. They got Jordan 1s, they got Jordan 1s. Man, this place is always like this, just one of the most packed Nike outlets around. Jordan 36 lows. 170. This is a size 7. Oh, Kansas City Chiefs. Pegasus 38's going for $70. Nothing is ever where it's supposed to be here. The Air Max, these are definitely not the Genomes. Got some Hirachis. I think I'm in the size 8, 8.5. These are $120. Air Force One Shadows. This is a women's. Yeah, this ain't even a men's. A women's going for $85. Air Max 1 Premiums. Going for retail, size 8.5. Packers. Pegasus 38, going for retail. We do have 30% off the hash wall. Also got some with body odor issues around me as well. All right, all the way to size 10s. I couldn't handle that. There's just too many people in the size 8s, 9s. And some of the body odor is just kind of gross. $120 for the Hirachi, size 10. Dang, a ton of these. These must have just gotten out of the aisles. $175. 49ers version of the Pegasus right here. We saw these down to 60 at the clearance store. They're going for retail here. I always get excited to come here, and then whenever I come here, like, just get hit in the nuts, man. Just nothing ever here. $80 for these. These are the fancy React Flyknits. Size 11.5 LeBrons. Look at this. Like, they're going for regular price. These are LeBron lows. Air Max 2090s. Same size, 11.5. Going for $130. Kyrie's. We've seen Kyrie's on sale everywhere. And I bet you they're still going for retail. Yep, 11.5 retail. This place is just preposterous. Everything going for retail. React Milers, 10.5. That's going for $50. That's like the only deal we've seen. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits. These are going for $90. That's actually a pretty decent deal, especially with 30% off. That's not bad. At least we've found a couple of deals in there, but everything else been retail. These ain't no Nike Metcons. 2090s right here, going for $130, size 11. Might be one of the shortest times I've ever spent at the clearance section. Just nothing much. You do get 30% off, but just nothing worth looking at. Dude got just brought these. Some mids right here, retail though, 11. All right, it's a freaking zoo. We're gonna check out the aisles. We might check out a couple of the other outlets. Cheapest we've ever seen, the 11 Comfort lows for sure. Got some other Jordans, Liftoffs, Air Cadence. You don't want to see that. Jordan Access, Jumpman. What is this? The Team I lows? What the hell? I don't recognize that. All right. More Access. Trey 5.9s. Another one of these KDs. Budget line of the KDs. Always seem to be at the outlets. Of course, I think it's like that with all the, what was it, the budget signature lines. These are the Giannis. Got multiple colorways. This whole aisle is actually filled with them, and the prices keep falling. Second one's out, so these should go even lower. Another one of the, is this a, oh no, I was like, is this a Comfort? Because there's a Comfort one right there, but it is a Flytrap 4. One of the colorways, there's just a ton of them. More perennial outlet tenants. Witness 4s right here. Getting text messages. But yeah, Witness 5s going down in price. Another one of those. Soldier 14s. Then Duke got LeBrons going down in price. $100, not bad. It is ridiculously crowded here. The Air Flight Light mids. Air Force One Craters. Might be the cheapest we've seen those. Other than the clearance store, of course we've seen those. Ebernons going down and down, okay. Free Run 2s. Court Vision lows. Crater Impacts, Court Royale 2s. Okay. Air Max Bolts. Why am I wasting my time showing you the Air Max Bolts? Air Max 95 Essentials, 2090s. Couple of those. Air Max 95 is pretty dope colorway. Way too expensive going for retail, both of these. Blazer low jumbos. Prices are outrageous. Still packed as hell here. Air Max Genomes. Air Force One mids. Nike Super Rep Go 3s. I forgot they have the huge sizes here now, so we'll take a look at a couple things here. Patience is wearing thin. Yeah, people are just running into everybody. It's just people are stupid. But you got these right here. Oh my god, this I'd never even seen this colorway. It is gaudy. Definitely not a fan. These are size 15 right here, Jordan 1s with all the pockets. And we're leaving that obviously. Witness 5, $30 being given away. You get another 30% on top of that. So what is that? $21. $21. Size 13 Witness 5. Holy cow. Retail though. I got these. These are pretty dope. Yeah, it is retail. These are the denim ones right here. Air Max 97s going for retail. So some of this stuff is like cheap as hell in the small sizes, but some of the stuff not on sale at all. React Miler size 13. These are down to 60, which makes it what? $42. Pegasus 37 going for 50. That's hella cheap. Flytrap 4 is going for regular price here. Prices are hella random at the huge section. Like some are super cheap, some are not cheap at all. The GTS right here, 97, it's going for regular price. Just random. More Pegasus 37s going for $50. That's what, 35 after the discount. Alright, I'm like super irritated, man. I usually put up with the crowds, but this place is just nuts. Yeah, man, we're gonna check out some other outlets, man. Forget this. Let's go check out Adidas. Probably gonna be just as crowded. Look at how packed the line is. Like it's crazy packed. For what though? They don't even, prices ain't even that crazy. All right, next stop, Adidas. Let's go. 50% off, store wide. It looks like. We saw some fire returns here and there at some of the Adidas shops, the outlets as well as the retail shops. So let's look at the clearance section right here, 50% off. I was like, they got Yeezys? No, not really. The Alpha Bounce or something? I don't know what the hell these are. Something with Boost. The Clima, something, I don't know. 140 for those. Caught my attention from the back though. Got some Human Race things right here. Human Race Stan Smiths. And none of these things got prices on them or nothing. Worthless. Oh, there you go. $80. Size 12 and a half. Their new, what is this? The new cushioning technology that hasn't really taken off. None of their cushioning technology, 4D, this plastic stuff, none of it's really taken off, to be honest. The Micro Bounce go for $90. That is size 4. That should be in the kids section. Come on now. Dame 8s. And it's only a size 6. To be able to get that for 50% off, not bad. Superstars. The girls are awesome Superstars. Colorway and the material on this is actually really fire. Just having a thing saying girls are awesome, that's just not something that I would do. $70, 20% off, or 50% off, size 12. Dame 7's going for 50 right here after the discount. Those are size 6.5 though. Size 5.5. Man, can we get like some decent sizes? It is crazy here, so nothing is where it's supposed to be. Size 8, ZX 2K Boost. These are going for 180, get 50 off. The Human Made teenagers, what the hell? Geared for futuristic teenagers. What the hell? Some Superstars right here. Who knows what the price is, because the box is a mess. Got Dame 8. Oh, it says not included in store promotion. Okay. These just came out, man. Got a couple different colorways. Okay. Harden Step Back 3 is going for 45. D-Rose Son of Chi going for $50 after the discount. Dawn Issue 3s, I guarantee those are 50% off. NMDs go for 120. Oh, excluded. Dude, this mall is just insane how crowded it is. Okay, there's a bunch of stuff not included in the promotion, I guess. Priced not too bad, I guess, because they're normally what, 160, 170? Yeah, none of the DMDs and none of the NMDs look like they're included. Okay. Of course, gotta check out the Ultra Boost. Nothing too impressive though. A bunch of them go for 120. What store? Why 50% they talking about? Because there's a few things, but More things than not have not been on 50% off. Yeah, man, this is kind of worthless, yo. This whole blog is worthless. My bad, guys. If y'all been watching, hey, at least you know not to come. Prices aren't terrible, but like we've seen all this stuff on sale like this at the retail shops. So 120 is not bad, just not great like Adidas has been hooking us up with lately. All right, that's not bad on Superstars. You know, normal price is 95. Got a few of them on sale. Sizing, very limited. At least they have like a size 12 though, but still very limited. Forums going for 50. I think we've seen these at Foot Locker for that price though, or Champs. I don't know, we saw one at the sneaker shops. Checking out the women's section, more of the same as the men's. This one finally 50% off, so that's what, $95, $120 for those. And then yeah, the same thing, Superstars on sale for the women's. Most of the times we don't see the Superstars on sale at all here, even at the outlets. I guess it's a give and take. Some platform version, the bolds, Forum bolds right here. Then I got a couple more. Okay. And it's still packed as hell here. Man, I don't get it. I don't get it. This mall's just packed. Everybody just comes here so they can keep the prices high, I guess. Man, if y'all made it till the end, appreciate y'all. Man, this vlog sucked. All right, I'm out. Let's go. Got more shops to hit up. All right, do got one last stop right here. I'm definitely not expecting anything like this. But we'll still check it out. 90% of the time, this store's a complete waste of time. It does say take an extra 60% off, but yeah, we'll look. My Reebok collection is getting bigger. I do need some Reebok socks. Maybe I'll get that here. I do got the classic leathers. The leather, not too bad on these. Got quite a bit of suede, mixture of nylon too, 40% off. It's all right. Man, I like this one, but no extra discount. 60% off. 130. Holy crap, that is hella cheap. I don't know the math, but that's what, under 60 bucks. That's what's up. Damn, it goes up to only up to size 9, 11. Oh, up to size 12. That's rare. Okay, I think he's just a fan of this colorway, but still that's a solid price. Classic leathers, apparently excluded. Got some of the classic legacies. Checking out the clearance section, do got some Answer 4. This is a size 10.5, $130. Do get 60% off. So yeah, that's under what's that, 60 bucks, something like that. Those of you fools who can't do the math right there, $52. I was almost close. Whatever. Yeah, $52. That's hella cheap. Oh, we got a couple of pairs. Okay. But that's about it, man. They just got these things. Was these the Soul Fury float, right? What the hell is this? I have no clue what that is. It's $130. Those of you guys that know Reebok stuff. The Nano, these the Float Ride Energy, like I said. $85. One of the Zig Dynamicas go for $65. You do get that 60 off. So yeah, if you like this type of stuff, really good prices. $70, 60 off on top of that. So they do got these in the size 12. These are the Club C 85 vintage. 65 bucks, dude. 65. Along with the discount, that's what, under $30. Holy crap, that is fire. This is size 12. It's about time. They got some dope stuff here. More Club C's. These are the Club C Revenge. Go for $70. Size 12. Club C. These are size 14s. Go for what, 70, 79, 97. Interesting colorway. It is icy on the bottom. But yeah, 80 bucks, dude. That's just hella cheap. Dude, got some of the old school UFC stuff right here. Forever Float Ride Energy. It's going for 90. The 60% off makes everything worthwhile. That's what's up. Checking out the smaller sizes, size 8s right here. Going for 110. That looks way smaller than a size 8. All right, these are size 8s right here. Oh yeah, maybe they're the same. Yeah, they're the same. Okay. Got a bunch of them. But got these as well in the size 8. So, all right, maybe worth a stop. Another one of the Answer 4, size 11.5. Also got some more questions up there. $110 and change. I think those are those. So okay. All right, and then a bunch of other Reeboks that nobody really ever talks about or is interested in. Not bad trip, you guys. Not bad trip. I do need some Reebok socks. Yeah, just get some generic socks. Maybe not Reebok. That's what I'll do. All right, let's wrap it up. We're done. All right, visited a ton of different shops. Came up on some good stuff. Y'all saw the Nike outlet. Look at the line. Look at how weak this Nike outlet was, and still look at the line. There's crazy line. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. I do not get it.